Oh, hi. All right, brace yourself, because this is going to be a commercial. I'm going to try to get you to buy something. But it's okay, it's okay. You don't have to if you don't want to, and it's a good thing. I mean, it's not like save the world good, but it's creative and constructive, and it keeps me in high quality chocolates, which I personally feel is a noble goal. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about tutorials. So many of you have followed me for years, or you're just stumbling across me now, and you know me as someone who does sculptural and creative chit chat, right? And how-tos, and I demonstrate how to use polymer clay and epoxy clay and various other things. And I really enjoy kind of sharing my knowledge on both techniques and the how to creatively imagine where projects are going to go, especially in the form of a project. So why is a project something worth buying and then following? Well, here's my thought on this, is that we're all learning various things as creative people, right? We're learning how to use a material that maybe we've never known. We're learning how to see the world and then translate it into your own way of doing things through perspective and shadowing and any number of technical things. But often what we do is we find somebody whose technique or style is something that we really connect with, and we see, how do they do it? Can I pick up some pointers from them? And there's a couple reasons why that's a good thing. One is just, it's nice to know how people do stuff and get some insight into a process that maybe you never thought about before or wasn't quite sure how to do. And the other is that we're all busier than we want to be for the most part. And I use all as though I've taken a survey and I have statistics, but I'm actually just making that up. Many of us are busier than we would like to be, but we want to have time for those soul satisfying things like creativity. So when it comes time to finally sit down and do something creative, you might just be like, well, what am I going to do? So if you have a plethora of tutorials at your disposal, you could be like, oh, I think I'll do that. Let me just look through that video real quick and get a sense of, okay, that's how they did that. Or let me stop it at that one thing and see how that piece goes together. Okay, good. So tutorials are very helpful. Now, most of my tutorials are video. Some of the ones from several years back are downloadable PDFs, but I have, I think, over 150 tutorials that you can purchase on my website. So this is the commercial part. Might I encourage you to purchase a tutorial so that when you have the next little bit of time where you're feeling creative but you're not quite sure what to do, you'll be like, oh yeah, I have that moth that weird girl lady person showed how to do. Maybe I'll check that out. All right, so to sweeten the deal, I am going to have a special little coupon. It's a code that you can use to have a buy one, get one free on your tutorials, all right? So if you use this code, TOOT, TOOT. Oh wait, that's upside down. I'm in selfie mode. There we go. TOOT. That's your coupon code. And what you do is you pick out 2 tutorials or whatever, and you put them, or 4 or 87,000, and it's going to give you buy one, get one free. And it's going to be basically a one-time use. Once you use it, then you will be done. So you might as well just load up and get all the ones that you think. And it will give you the most expensive ones charged and the least expensive ones free. I didn't design the system. If it was me, I would have done equal value, but it's an automatic thing that I have no say-so over. So just saying that, but you will get one for free for each one you buy. So please use this coupon code, TOOT, at my website, ChristyFriesen.com. Both of those things will be in the description. So if you forget, or you forget how to spell my name, just look in the description. It'll be right there. And then go pick out a couple or more tutorials, and at least one of them or more will be on me. And then the next time you're feeling creative, see if they can guide you and take you somewhere fun. And if you want to do it exactly how I did it, great. If you meander off on your own, also great. The main thing is create. Create anytime you can, however you want, for no reason at all, because it's good for your soul. Happy creating.